Okay, here are a few hints just to remind you as you're doing skill 17. So the first thing you're going to want to remember is the slope formula, right? That's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So, for instance, when you're doing number 1 here, you might want to label these points to find the slope. x1, y1, x2, y2. And then you'll plug them into the formula and find the slope, and then you'll write your equation, right? You'll write your partial equation, and you'll have, of course, in this space, the slope that you just figured out. And then you're going to plug in one of these points. So maybe I'll choose this point to plug in, and I'll put 9 where the y is, and I'll put 6 where the x is, and I'll go ahead and solve to find the b. Okay, so there's your hint on that part. Another thing that might be good to remember is on this one, just be really careful with the scale, right? Because this counts, looks like it's counting by tens, right? So be careful as you do that. And then this one, it seems like on this axis, we're counting by twos. Okay. This graph, should be more straightforward because it does not have, a funky scale, just counting by one. This one, as you're doing it, remember you can just label these points, maybe x1, y1, and x2, y2, just like you did on the other part there. Okay, I hope that helps. Also check the solutions key for skill 17 once you've done this part.